In front of me is Xiaomi Mix Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by launching Devices Settings and scrolling down a tiny bit to access Sound and Vibration. Now scroll down and click on this switcher next to Vibrate Vocals to enable or disable haptic feedback for incoming calls. Then click on this one next to Vibrate in Silent Mode to enable or disable vibrations when your device is muted. Following that, scroll down again and click on the last switcher next to Haptic Feedback to enable or disable haptic feedback response to gestures and system controls. If you decided to enable this one, you can even adjust intensity thanks to this slider. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!